Hi, I'm Josh Lockheed, Training Evangelist here at QuoteWerks. Today I will be reviewing how to set up the SugarCRM integration in QuoteWerks. To begin, navigate to Contacts, then set up Contact Manager. Select SugarCRM from the drop-down list, then click on SugarCRM. This opens the SugarCRM setup window. Before we do anything else, we need to connect our SugarCRM account to QuoteWerks, and this is done by inputting the SugarCRM URL. Once this is done, click on Test to test your connection. If the connection is successful, you'll receive a notification that you have established communications with the SugarCRM server. Click OK to dismiss this notification. Next, you want to check the checkbox next to Enable Sugar Identity and input your user credentials. Once this is done, click on the Test button to test the credentials. You'll receive a notification that the SugarCRM user credentials test login was successful. Click OK to dismiss this notification. With the connection configured, we can click on Integration Settings to continue setup. On the Integration Settings page, there are a number of settings that determine how the integration works. Firstly, you can change when you want the opportunity to be set to 1. You can choose to never convert to 1, automatically when converting to an order, or automatically when converting to an invoice. Most will choose to mark the opportunity to 1 when the quote is converted to an order, but this gives you some flexibility based on your needs. You can choose to update the SugarCRM opportunity name with the document name and be prompted to create an opportunity when converting a quote to an order or invoice if one does not already exist. Next, you can choose to write line item detail into the SugarCRM opportunity or write a single summary line instead. Most will choose to write line item detail as this gives you the granularity to see what individual products were quoted, but this option gives you the ability to choose. If we choose to write line item detail, we'll be prompted to configure how we want to map to SugarCRM item number. The default and most used option is the manufacturer part number, but again you have the option to choose a different field in QuoteWerks to map the item number to. If you do choose something other than manufacturer part number, you will have the option to configure part number generation options, which govern how part numbers are assigned if the mapped QuoteWerks field is blank. You can set this to not auto-generate using a macro, or auto-generate using a macro based on the QuoteWerks item type. Each SugarCRM opportunity item must have a part number. Regardless of how you choose to map the SugarCRM item number, you will be prompted to select how to handle items that for whatever reason have the part number blank even after following the item mapping rules. You can assign specific part numbers to be used based on their item or line types. It is a best practice that once all of the SugarCRM setup steps have been completed to go back one last time and verify everything has been configured correctly. Once confirmed, you should click OK to save changes and create test opportunities to familiarize yourself with how information is shared between QuoteWerks and SugarCRM. If we go back to the Contact Manager setup window, there is another area that we can leverage in managing the SugarCRM integration, data link setup. Configuring a data link allows us to control what information is copied and when between the SugarCRM and QuoteWerks systems. It allows you to pull information from fields in SugarCRM when different events occur. This data from SugarCRM can be used to complete fields in the QuoteWerks document such as a customer profile, the tax rate, customer terms, custom fields, and more. If we click on Data Link, the Data Link setup window appears. To create a new data link, click on the orange New button on the top left of the window. As an example, we will configure this data link so that when we retrieve the sold to information in QuoteWerks, we will reach out to SugarCRM and read the account industry into the custom text 01 field in QuoteWerks. First, we will set the event, action, or context, then the external system ID, then map the fields. Once the data link has been configured, click OK to save it. Data links are very simple to configure, but very powerful in their ability to share non-standard field data across systems. Having completed the setup steps outlined in this video, you will now have the ability to search and pull in SugarCRM contacts in QuoteWerks, create and update SugarCRM sales opportunities, and attach additional documentation to the deal. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about the SugarCRM integration in QuoteWerks, please see our help files or reach out to the team at 407-248-1481.